Hi guys, I am Tazru. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove a green screen. Let's go to the tutorial video. First gonna use effect tab. If you don't have effect tab, you can do this. Now I think you have effect tab. Then gonna video effects. Next click on key and you can see new items. Then Alt key, drag to your video clip. Next grab the pen tool and create a mask around you. Go to effect control window and remove the green color. Adjust the settings. Then add a photo to your background like this. Increase the scale. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.